Welcome to the MATLAB and Simulink Past Competitions Hub. This video series contains tutorials and relevant information for primary and secondary school student competitions. Some of the topics covered in this video blog are how to use MathWorks products for robotics, math modeling, and programming of hardware such as the VEX EDR systems, LEGO Mindstorms, Arduino, and Raspberry Pi. As part of our support, we provide complimentary license offerings for all students participating in competitions. We also provide free training and constantly create new videos that are relevant to the primary and secondary school competitions. Navigate to your MathWorks competition website by using the link below to request a free MATLAB and Simulink license and explore resources that will help get your team started. MathWorks is happy to support primary and secondary school student competitions, and if you have any questions or suggestions, please don't hesitate to contact us either through our Facebook group or by sending us an email to pastcompetitions@mathworks.com.